as detangled as possible. And I am working on blow dry. The first way is taking a section from the front and breaking that into 3 sections, just like you would a braid. Grabbing 3 sections from the front, but not really pulling them out, just kind of holding on to them in the front like that. Because once you understand the technique of where your fingers need to go, you can start it either way. So for this video, I think it may be easier if I started with a section in the front. So I grab a pretty small section in the front like that. I'll break it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now watch closely. Before grabbing up any hair, I want to show you what it looks like and where your fingers will go. This is the pattern that creates the cornrowing, okay? So I like to start on the right side. You're gonna hold on to this right side piece, and your goal is to get the other end of hair, okay? Just like that. Let me do it again. So you have your 3 sections, and you're starting with this right piece. You're gonna be reaching under that middle piece and grabbing the opposite side just like that. So just how you saw my fingers grabbing it like that, I'm just gonna grab that piece. You don't really have to pull it, but you can let go of the piece that's in one hand. And you're gonna just continue that same motion. So holding on to that one piece, you're reaching over to grab the opposite side like that. You're gonna grab that one piece, you're reaching over to grab the other side. So that's basically the motion that your fingers are going to be going. But now let me show you when you start gathering. This is about learning something new, so just keep practicing and I promise you'll get better.
With some hair, so you collect a little bit of hair like this section and you bring it over. I kind of separate it sometimes with my hands to make it close to the root. Otherwise, it will be loose and not as neat. Keep your hand as close to you as you can. So as you can see, I'm collecting it here, but I'm staying, my fingers are right next to her scalp. So this one, fingers next to the scalp. One fingers next to the scalp. Fingers next to the scalp.
Okay, so back to my Capricorns. Who do you need to forgive? Capricorns, because we can hold some grudges. I mean, seriously, Capricorns can hold some serious grudges. We can be really mean and hurtful with our words if we really choose to. And so, you know, holding on to grudges, holding on to anger and resentment, that can hurt us. You know, it can hurt us more than the other person, you know, because who knows, that other person, you know, that really, you know, affected you, you know, they might have already moved on. A lot of just frustration and fatigue and just confusion is what's coming through here. All right, wow.
Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. If you are not doing well, they will barely take notice of that either. The entitlement still happens and can be witnessed by you in their life in a variety of different ways. But when it comes to you, it may be the case that they actually really do feel entitled to completely ignoring you. And interestingly, they may not be doing this with everybody. And that's what often makes this hurt more. But there very much can feel like a take you for granted kind of dynamic that plays out in this particular relationship.
I tried my best. The parting is terrible. Brace yourselves. The parting is terrible. I look like I'm ready to check in to jail, and I'm pretty ready. I'm prepared. I tried. Bye, guys.